I'm just chilling, but y'all know what grinds my gears? Let me tell y'all what grinds my gears right now. What's really like upsetting me. So just tell me when the idea of pretty became fake. Like, let me know who created the norm for being pretty as wearing fake shit. Like, why is it that, literally every girl's main profile picture is them with fake eyelashes, fake nails, like, and fake hair? Like, when did that become the flex? Is all I really want to know is when it became the flex. Like, you know what I'm saying? And you can't tell these girls otherwise because the moment you do, you're the enemy for some reason. Like, because I don't want you to, I'm a God loving man and fearing man. And I don't want you to waste your energy. Like, there's just so much negativity that should be clearly seen by attaching yourself to these fake energies. You know what I'm saying? So just let me know, like, what man was it that said, yeah, I want all the women to look fake? Like all of them. And y'all just all said, yeah, that guy's the leader. Let me all listen to that guy. Or is it these celebrities that y'all worship more than y'all worship Jesus? Like, you know what I'm saying? Look, the only reason that I'm really upset is because there's so many. There is, it's literally like 85% of women that wear fake eyelashes, fake hair. Like, it's probably higher than that. I just don't get why, bro. Like, why are y'all all wearing fake shit? And I'm be honest with y'all are all worshiping a lower God. Y'all are all gonna receive a lesser karma. And it is what it is. Like, y'all don't want to listen, cool. Like, men are the logical ones. Y'all don't want to listen to men. Women are emotional, men are logical. Y'all don't want to listen to men. All right. Y'all want to think that y'all know everything and you're going to pay the karma for it. And I'm just the messenger that's letting y'all know that y'all are worshiping a lower God. I'm not here to scold. I'm not here to judge. I'm here to inform you of what you're doing and where it's going to lead you. All right. Because there's a lot of traits associated with women who attach these kind of energies to themselves. And they are also people whose minds are clearly not in the most righteous places. Now, me being a righteous man, I'm obviously going to be attracted to a woman that's righteous. And you can't have your cake and eat it too. Period. You know what I'm saying? So, like, I just don't understand why so many women, bro, attach these fake eyelashes, fake, like, I'm, I try and, like, understand, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm trying to be like, yeah, I'll deal with the eyelash, but it's just like, why, bro? Like, find God, you know what I'm saying? Do you know what God is? God is the Most High. God is the one that's trying to bring you to your dreams. Your Most High Self is the one that's bringing you to your dream self. And your dream self, if you're living for God, has nothing to do with these fake external attachments that you're putting on yourself. If you're a woman, if you're a dude, like, dudes, we all, like, some dudes, they're just simps. They're just weak men. So they'll deal with the woman because, it's because they just accept less. So you're attracting men that accept less. And I'm not that kind of guy. I'm 100 or nothing dude. What does 100 nothing mean? It means it's either the very best or I don't want it. And it's just really hard to, like, find good women because y'all are all attached to this fake life. Y'all all want to go and travel, right? That's all y'all care about doing is traveling and eating food. That's it. Out of everything in the rest of the world, your biggest goal is to travel, not, raise the frequency of the world, raise the frequency of the planet. Y'all don't care about stuff like that. See, there's two types of people. There's two types of people in this world. There's people who live for themselves and there's people who live to make the world a better place. There's two types of people, bro. And these, just like how my fingers are going in two different, like, angles, these two different types of people are going to live very different lives. They're going to walk very, very different paths in life. But it's never too late for you to choose God. It's never too late to, choose a righteous path. Because when you choose a righteous path, God is going to show everything to you. Everything that you never saw before. The reason why I'm so intelligent, like I'm extremely intelligent, the reason is because I choose the most righteous path. So God reveals everything to me, bro. I am so smart. Like, it's to a scary point. Like, I'm extremely intelligent. And what do I define as intelligence? Like, my approach to life, because life is always being created. And my approach to what's being created, everyone has a different approach because everyone is coming from a different angle. Because I've gone a righteous path, God has shown me just the answers to everything, bro. I'm not depressed. I'm the master of my own life. I create my own reality. I'm not confined by people's thoughts. I'm a very powerful, strong person. And the reason is because I don't follow people. I don't follow these industry rappers. I don't try and look like them. You feel me? Because I have the right why. It's all about having the right why. And a lot of y'all have no why at all, or just don't care like about anything besides, like, if you have a good why, you're naturally just going to go in the right direction. Now, how to have a good why is really just set big goals for yourself, and actually chase those goals, because everyone sets goals, but most people just treat it like it's not real. Like, they don't even chase their goals. They're just like, yeah, that's my goal, but I'm not going to do anything to get there. And that's why so many people are stuck at the bottom. That's why so many people are stuck in a loop of wasting their money on purposeless things like, drinking and fake hair, bruh. Like, fake hair is so expensive, and they make it so expensive because y'all keep buying it. Fake hair is bread. My daughter is never going to wear fake hair because I'm not going to waste my money on that nonsense, bro. I'm a righteous, grounded man. And I'll stand on, like, oh, I keep on calling myself righteous. Yeah, I do, because if not me, then who? You feel me? There's not many people out there that really just care about others. Everyone is living for themselves. You really need to focus on the people who seem to not care about who likes them. Because those are the leaders, bro. Not the people fitting in, buying fake hair and fake nails. Like, all right, so let me tell you why I say you're worshiping a lower God. You're living for the surface. All right? You're living for the third dimension. If you ever heard that there's a third dimension and there's a fourth dimension, right? The fourth dimension is the higher you, that's the consciousness. The third dimension is the physical plane. That's where, my sweater, right? That's where everything that we see, our senses, third dimension. People are living for the third dimension. When you live for the third dimension, like, you're going to be a sheep, you're going to be an NPC, because the greatest thoughts come from vibrating on a higher frequency that is not based on looking good on the outside, but being good on the inside. And, people they're just not tuned into the higher frequency. They're really not. So it's up to you to just be yourself. It's not up to you to tell everyone what they need to do. It's up to you to be yourself and just listen to yourself. Listen to your heart. What does your heart say? Follow that. Don't follow what Doja Cat is doing. Please don't. Don't, you know what I'm saying? Don't follow what these industry artists are doing. Follow what's in your heart and what you want to do. Stop following people, and I promise you, you're going to evolve at a faster rate than everyone else around you. Because good people are rare. So with that being said, family, I hope y'all got some knowledge from this video. And we signing out. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out and much love. Monty.